Meaning of fiendishly.
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 Fiendishly. Fiendishly is an adverb used to describe something that is extremely difficult, complex, or intricate. It implies that the task at hand requires great skill or intelligence to accomplish successfully. The word can also suggest a deviousness or an evil intention behind the complexity of the task. In short, fiendishly can be used to describe a situation where the difficulty level is so high that it seems almost impossible to achieve success without immense effort and intelligence. Only those who possess exceptional abilities and determination can overcome such fiendishly difficult challenges.